Hey, what's up, guys? How's it going? Welcome back to another video. And if you're new to this channel, can you smash on the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so anytime I upload a new video, you get notified. So, in this video, I'm not gonna lie. Out of all the loan platform which I have been reviewing so far, this is the most worst reviews loans that I'm gonna make, and I don't know how I can actually get started with this, but this is so very bad due to the fact that I noticed people are doing research about this particular loan app. So that's why I try to check it out and see what are the benefits and what people can actually uh, enjoy or benefit from this particular app. So me finding the app on Google Play Store, I feel like, should I really make this video? Then I just noticed I should just make it for people to know more about the loan app. So this is actually Fundy loan apps in Nigeria, and the loan app just 1.8 reviews out of over 800 people that have reviewed this particular app, and then over 100,000 people have reviewed. I don't know how I should put this, but I feel like 1.8 review, 1.8 star, that's so bad. I literally don't know, and I'm still going to check through what exactly is the problem about this app. Why is it that people that are reviewing this app are dropping bad reviews, so very bad review? Because if it's not that bad, I'm sure 800 people should not have gone wrong just like this to have the total review or the total rating of 1.8 star. That's so very bad. But then let's look at the features, and then we'll proceed on to the experience about what people are actually saying or experiencing about this particular app. So this is actually the app interface if you are trying to sign up or sign in on the mobile app, and then they ask you for your mobile phone number. Then they will send an OTP to your mobile phone number in order to confirm your signing. Then the maximum loan availability for you'll be able to see that. Then you can apply if you are interested in getting the loan. Then these are your profile, which is personal data, my order, contact us, privacy policy, the setting of your PIN, and the sign out option. So these are the option which is available on the app. So let's go into about this app, then see what is in there. So literally users can get a loan of up to 100,000. Then the annual interest rate, which is the lowest annual interest rate starting, is 10%. That is the lowest, and the highest is 35. So that, which means the interest rate fall between 10 to 35%, and the long time loan takes like 91 to 365 days. Then, for example, they provide an example of the kind of loan which, of course, maybe you borrowed. So let's say you borrow 20,000 naira from the loan platform, then you choose 300 days to pay back. So that's kind of like I think that's like 10 months. So the interest rate will be 10%, just like they say. But I'm very sure it will not be like that once you try to get a loan from the platform. So, and literally probably because you also borrow a very small money, which is 20,000 naira. So yeah, it can also be like that, I guess. So let's check on the people's review. And also, before I forget, they also have their address, which is 6 Road, Sodipo Crescent, Ikeja, Lagos, Nigeria. So which, of course, you can check them out, and this is their email address if you're trying to reach out to them through email. So regarding review, which is where there's a lot of work to do. So 1-star review is very much than 5-star, 4-star, 3-star, and 2-star. So which means people have been sharing just their experience. So let's try to check on the positive one and see if they have any positive review of recent. So their positive review comes on the 11th of 19th of November 2022. So that's the last time they have a positive review, and another one from the October. Um, is it October? Oh, sorry. So that's November. Then the following one is December 10th, 2022. Then another one from um, Abdullah Adebara, which is January 12th, 2023. Then another one from 2022 as well. So these are the positive reviews they have. So let's now check on the bad ones, which is 1 star. So this is another one, which is worst agent ever, fraudulent practice too. I could not sign into the app as I could not get OTP to sign in. An agent called and gave me the figures to pay and the account to pay to. 2 weeks later, I got some message and crazy calls to pay 2,267 overdue charge. Then the agent threatened to send message to my contacts if I don't pay. Use at your risk. Wow, that's so odd. So this is another one, which is from Black Mamba. Another one from Chester Sumiyo or something like that, which is on the 11th of last year, 2022. It's another one from Olusheyi, and that's actually a very far reviews. So what I just want to pick out from all this is the fact that the reviews, the rating is very, very bad. This will chase a lot of people out of this app. Maybe people want to get to borrow loan from this particular app. This will definitely chase people out. But then I also noticed that some people are not downloading loan app from Google Play Store. They find the app from other APK website which they are uploading the app, so they won't be able to see the reviews of people who are sharing their experience about any kind of loan apps. But then if you are one of the people that download most loan apps from Google Play Store, so I guess you'll be able to find the terms and conditions and what people are actually experiencing about that particular loan app. So this is just what I actually want to share with you guys. But then don't forget, I'm not saying that maybe they are not legit or maybe the app is not giving out money. So don't get me wrong, I'm just sharing my own review about this particular app and then what I feel about it, and also to let you know the people's opinion, those people that have used this app to borrow money on this kind of app. So that's just what I actually want to let you know. So if you have any other question, you can let me know to the comment section and I will be happy to reply to it as fast as possible. And I hope if the founder of this app see this, or some agents who are working on that to make this app more trend, so I guess they know what they need to fix up in order to make sure this app is trending and then it can serve people more based on what they actually need. So thank you, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.